Good morning, our students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Our students, today I shall discuss with you about numbers in a standard form. Numbers in a standard form. Expressing a large number in a standard form and expressing a smallest number in a standard form. So numbers in a standard form. Define it. A number of the form. A number of the form a number of the form m into 10 to the power n. A number of the form m into 10 to the power n, where m is a decimal number. M is a decimal number. M is a decimal number such that m less than equal to 1, m greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. A number of the form m into 10 to the power n, m into 10 to the power n, where m is a decimal number such that m greater than equal to 1 and less than 10, and n is an integer. Integer is called a numbering in a standard form. A number in a standard form. Now expressing a large number in a standard form. One example is, write a large number 1,50,000. It's right in a standard form. So in a standard form, m into k to the power m into 10 to the power n. So decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So 1.5 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have decimal shifted 5 digits. So 10 to the power 5. Decimal shifted 5 digits right to left. So 10 to the power plus 5. And second example is a smallest number 0.00012. Right in a standard form. So decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits left to right. So 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5, because decimal shifted 5 digits left to right. So 10 to the power minus 5. Write it. Students, here two questions written on this board. write in a standard form. 2, question number 2 of 1, 35 lakh and 6 of 1 is 345 into 10 to the power 5. So write in a standard form. Here decimal shifted right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So 3.5 into 10 to the power 6 answer. And second question is decimal shifted 2 plus and 5 plus 10 to the power 5. So 5 plus 2 7. Write it. Three, 4, 5 of 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. Decimal shifted right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So 3.45 into 10 to the power 7 answer. And in question number 2, write in usual form. So 6.912 into 10 to the power 8. It is in a standard form. It changed into usual form in this form. So 10 to the power 8. 6.912 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. So decimal remove. For 3, 10 to the power 3 remains 10 to the power 5. So 6, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Answer. It is in usual form. Next 5.17 multiply by 10 to the power 6. So decimal remove 6 plus. So 570. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write it. Students, one important question is written on this board is question number 4. It is very important question of this exercise. Mass of Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And mass of the Moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. What is the total mass of the two? Therefore, the total mass equal to, first of all write mass of Earth. So mass of Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg plus mass of the Moon 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Students, here 10 to the power 24 and this side 10 to the power 22. So 10 to the power 24 change into 10 to the power 22. So write 5.97 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 22. 22 plus 2, 24 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. 10 to the power 2 means 100. 5.97 multiplied by 100. So it's changed into 597 into 10 to the power 22 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Now 10 to the power 22 is common. So 597 plus 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Now add it 0.35 0.35 7 plus 7 14 of 4 carry 1 9 plus 1 10 10 of 0 5 plus 1 6 604.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Answer of this question. Right, students, two questions are written on this board, question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5, write in a standard form. Write in a standard form. Question number 2, 0.00000083. So decimal shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places from left to right. So write 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 7. And here decimal also shifted left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus. So 1.65 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 6. Answer. Now write in usual form. It is in a standard form and change into usual form. It is in usual form, change into a standard form. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Decimal shifted 7 plus right to left. So write here 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0.000005 answer. And next here decimal shifted 2 plus. So 1, 1, 2. So 0.018 answer. Students, today homework. Revise exercise 2B. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 2B. Thank you. That's all.